Hi there. Today we will talk about how to thank someone and how to just express our feeling regrets. For example, if we unfortunately if we did something wrong, so mostly we feel regret and how to express these in front of others and how to go for the sickness of apologize, sickness of forgiveness from others. So this will be the topic of our today. After this topic, inshallah, you will be able to thank someone by very in formal ways, in effective ways, and after this lecture, inshallah, you will be able to express your own feeling, regrets in English, and to seek the forgiveness and to seek the word sorry, we can say, from others in English. So let's start our today topic. So this one mostly we are going for this one. Thank you, and thank you. So how to just express in very effective ways how to thank someone and how to just express our greatness over there. So for example, how to thank someone. I would like to thank you instead of the word thank you and the phrase thank you is not like enough to say something and to express your own ideas. So you should go for some other new words, some more in-depth things. So thanks for contacting us. Thanks for the invite. I would love to come. Many thanks for a most enjoyable evening. Thank you ever so much for helping me, and I'm really appreciate everything you have done. So these all like phrases and sentences to express your thankness over there. And the last one is very formal when we are going to just write on an email, write on something very formal documents. And when we communicate with our boss, when we communicate with our authoritative person, so the last one will be very appreciative over there. Thank you for your consideration. I mean, when you just on the verge to write an application for job, write a cover letter for your job, so this will be very good. And after that, I shall be very thankful to you is not like be formal over there. The formal is that thank you for your considerations. And the word is coming regrets. Mean how to feeling regrets. Feeling regrets means when we are feeling guilty by the things we have done till so far. So we just feel regrets in this regards. So how to feel regrets? Obviously, we all make mistakes, and mistakes will be done when we are just going on to do something in the extra mood to put our struggles over there and by unfortunately just we did something wrong, so we can say that then we feel very regret by on our mistakes. But one thing you should be minded that we all make mistakes, have struggles, and even regret things in our past. But you are not your mistakes, you are not your struggles, and you are not here no with the power to shape your day and your time futures. We should lead our next life very happily, and we should just go for the another thing. I think so it's better. So when we do something wrong consciously or unconsciously, obviously sometime we do something wrong with our friends, something wrong with our colleagues, something wrong with our class fellows, consciously or unconsciously, maybe as a human beings we have some nature. So in these natures we can say by consciously or by unconsciously we do something, then we feel guilty. That's a feeling of regrets, and after that we mostly go to apologize with ourselves and who is our victims. I mean the person with we have done something wrong. So we go for the apologizing mood, and we go for the like requesting mood to just make the apologize over there and seek the forgiveness from that persons to make clear his or her heart from us, from our deeds, we can say. So how to express the regrets? Sorry, I'm feeling too guilty on my deeds. Sorry, so upset that one I'm not okay. No, oh no, not good. So sad for me. I'm really upset. I'm really sad. I'm feeling very sad. I'm feeling blue. I'm feeling very upset right now. Like these are the expressing moods of regrets. Like mistakes were made. We all can say that mistakes were made. So I regret everything. Some persons just go for this one, I regret everything, but some will be like this one as a like a Gujar type, like as a we can say very arrogant people that say that I regret nothing, what I have done that was okay, so nothing, just for the regret, just for the feeling regrets. So this one is about the topic. Hope so you find it very beneficial, and after this video you will be able to just produce, will be able to communicate with others by using these phrases. So thank you so much for watching this lectures. I will appreciate your thumbs up on my channel. Thank you.